Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siya Hlazia.
Guys, let's just unpack on the highlights of this KC, the heartbreaking KC guy, Jocelyn Smith, right? It turns out, guys, at the end of the day, your upbringing is very, very important. You know how Kelly Smith, my Jocelyn, was raised. I end up esehlala emkhukhwini, taking idakamizwa, OT, kanye no M. I was very surprised. I was like, "How gig?" But at the end of the day, guys, you must also look at this lady, Leona Lorisha Lombard, the state witness. Ne? How nje she has lied now. And her whole thing now is under scrutiny because we are just like I was saying, when you and in a corner, Judge Erasmus called her out. She was like, remember I did say in the video before this one, she keeps on changing things. At first I thought maybe obviously, I mean, something that I said today, I cannot put it the same in a week's time. And then you'll be like, Lona Manga. Can't you know? It's the way I want to put it. But no, Laurentia is not like that. Laurentia actually lies a lot. Yeah. And I think this whole thing, yeah, Yuguti, she knows Kelly Smith, she saw her, if you Jocelyn and all of that. I even said maybe she saw things because she was in a trance or she was high. I'm just like mhlawumbe behayi usisi ngeke ezinye izinto zakhe azihlangani, they not making sure. I'm just like, sisi, please awukhulume into eyodwa ezwakalayo. And it's the same as Judge Erasmus. She's like, no, on Thursday you said this, now you come back again today, you say this, on Monday you said that. So we are it's not the same. So let's go back to the upbringing. You know, ngoba nje into yakhona manje ngathi i-generational curse. Uyayibona ukuthi kanjani umuntu azaza end up ethengisa ingane. How it started, ne? She is the firstborn, Kelly, ne? Kubo. Bese kuba khona usisi wakhe lo was testifying, a whole constable. I was just like, Aibo, Romuntu must works for SAPS. She's sitting there. It's something just think she was sitting in a uniform the other day. I was just like, okay, maybe she's one of the police. Kanti Kelly was brought up by the grandmother, Bona. They were brought up by the mother, a Springbok, and Kelly was brought up in Sultan. They didn't even have a proper relationship, you know. These are totally different people. What about these dynamics at home, the family dynamics? They are crazy. So farm. I'm just like, when we were growing up, why? Crazy things like that. And then when you don't get to see a proper life because umama maybe, not maybe even, in most cases, umama unengane eziningi. So 3 must stay there, another one there, malume, another one gogo, another 2 nobani ba. I want just things, let's not go through them. Futhi especially thina futhi sizalelwe emakhaya, it's a problem leyo nto leyo. Ingane manje just end up zine-anger. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. Some turn out right, some they don't. Buka manje uKelly. Sizoblame manje ukuthi hayi no umakhe ngoba wamshiya. Amkhulisa nogogo. But I'm like, then again, Nazi, we turned out well, but we were brought up by grandmothers. And then later on, no grandmother, you are passed now to your mamkulu, like me, for example. So I'm just like, it depends also, the dynamics around those things. I'm grateful, I don't want to lie. Everything just turned out really, really well for me. When it comes to my dynamics, a family, your mom going to school and then getting married, and then when you are from ugogo mamkhulu athi okay sina singamthatha nomalume aphindalwe nomamkhulu, no ngizomthatha mina, yabo. And then I end up with umamkhulu. So yeah, things like that. Nazo manje they coming out here ukuthi no, okay, the upbringing actually started there. This is why now she's like, okay, nami can just nje must ngimthengisa uJocelyn for 20,000. Must nami umama nginandaba nami wangithatha wangihlalisa nogogo wami. Ngangifela nje kuphela ukuthi I was a firstborn. Yabona manje it's not looking nice. Yeah, but at the end of the day, we go back for two sisters lo. uLaurentia Lombard, who was now, she actually broke down in court, usisi, twice in fact, for that matter. Akasekho right manje sisters sehlezi banjiwe court. I'm like, maybe it's because nalami zidakamizwa akasayitholi nakule insuku. It's working on her. Uyazifuna, uyayinida. I was like, hey, but guys, what's going on with two sisters, man? Akasekho right. Everything, Jay, this thing now is overwhelming her. It's causing a lot of strain on her. It's a lot, eh? For her, even on Thursday, she wasn't fine. That's why I get my highlights of what actually happened the whole week. That's why I was also touching on Kelly's sister, Constable. I'm still in shock. So the main information that is causing a problem now and that is coming under scrutiny around Laurentia Lombard is her first statement before she actually turned witness. She said other things about Kaylee and how the whole thing came about, right? Now, when she gets to court, she starts to say other things. That's when Judge Erasmus was like, when your staff is inconsistent. And then she actually agreed when she came back after on Wednesday, the 19th, she had a breakdown. When she comes back on Thursday now, she's like, yes, my lord, I did actually lie. Why lie, Sissy? We're not playing here. This is a serious matter. And when she does that, the state is going to be discredited by the defense. And the defense is going to be busy with her. Busy discrediting her as a passenger on her own. Trashing her, and it's not going to look good. Actually. Because now we don't know which one's the truth. But we must start all over now. We can't even believe you anymore. As a caller, because we're just like, our gang. Even telling the truth. And Laurentia Lombard has multiple inconsistencies in her evidence. So like I'm saying, you end up feeling okay, which one get now is the truth out of the 7 things that you've just said. The chances are just one thing out of the 7 things that you've just said. For example, asazi anymore. Also, Laurentia now, she got confused around how was the money shared. The money was shared on Sunday or was it shared on Monday? Because then to the police who had said the money was shared, Judge Erasmus Njalo at that time. So which one is it? Was it on Monday when the money was shared or was it on Sunday? She's like, I know, I got confused now of the days, but it was shared on Monday. But because we don't know for sure it was shared on Monday, on Sunday, or Sunday now, that time, beginning of last day when this incident happened in Feb of last day 2024. So I want to see most of them are just not coming right. Advocate Haramse is like, when I says Lombard, Lombard amangaki naye athi bamkhatha isandla belwa. Hi, and then defense is like, I'm contradictions law. They are actually a lot. To a point where Bambuzu, okay, sis, defense at the time, Haramse lo, this defense lawyer, was asking her, so did you smoke the day before or did you smoke on the day ithi mhlambe or uyabona manje ukuthi akusekho mnandi guys bambuza ukuthi wawubhemile or manje it's a problem because we can't trust her anymore with these lies. Also, we cannot take her serious ngoba into zakhe they keep on changing ngusisi. So bazibambuza ukuthi wawubhemile, were you high, like yakhumbula ubani loo nto. It's a problem guys. Bese kuba nalo ayanda lo wabo futhi okuthiwa uStrict okuyena obebathengisela lezi iyobisi zezidakamizwa that they were taking bonke labantu uKelly Smith, uStefano noyinayilo uLaurentia Lombath osethene state witness. Angazi what was she thinking is gonna happen ngoba phela she lies a lot this lady. Hey, and I think also nalezi zinto abayibhemayo zi-end up zenza nomqondo lo uyavaleka, you can't remember much, and then you just think you can just come, in court and lie. Kanti judge Erasmus is going to see right through you. I really, really like this judge. Like scream lo muntu lo. He's very soft spoken, but yay, he will bring you down to filth. Ungabelieve, you'll be like, oh, kodwa ngoba wazi nokhuluma ungenze kanjani kanje. Ukuyibona le nto le. He's like that to get this guy. So uLaurentia Lombath, guys, baqhubeka naye, babhizi naye Monday again. They are busy with her. I-defense izomdonsa. Ayidlali naye. Isiqalile vele loo nto. Bavele bathi so obhemile basically. This is why you cannot even remember. You don't even know what happened. Did you smoke that day in the morning? I want to guys, things like that. So guys, I appreciate you so much, guys, for always looking out for me. In Tanda over. Thank you.